How to turn 2D image to 3D for free with AI in Stylar.ai. Open Chrome. Search Stylar.ai. Click on New Project. Click on Import Images. Import image. Adjust size. Click on Image to Image. Click on Auto Prompt. A small farm scene with a red barn, white church, and green trees. There is a road going through the middle of the farm, leading to another building. The farm also has a fence enclosing the area. In the background, there are mountains visible. Click on Stylar.ai. Wait a minute. Boom, check the result.